Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video.
In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple columns in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. And we can see here mini slide. You want to add multiple column into text box. At first, click inside the text box. Then go to the shape format menu. Then we can see here many option. Now I am enable the text box option. Then select the text box menu. We can see here many option. Now I am select the column, and here the window column. You can add any column. Then select the number of this column. Then write your column number. Now I am add 2 column. Write the 2. Otherwise you can increase or decrease this column number using this option. Then click OK. And we can see we make multiple column into text box very easily. You can align the text. Select the text again. Firstly, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Then align left, center, right, justify or anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.